right here underneath that. There we go. And then you're just gonna lean your shoulder. Yep, we're gonna find a sweet spot right there. Yep, and you're just gonna relax over. There was one little one.
Okay.
It's a little different, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you hadn't seen a chiro, but it's like kind of like the same song and dance.
Yeah.
Just redundantly, same type of thing.
Yeah, pretty much just like I lay on my stomach, he cracks my back, and then does my neck.
And it just needed, probably the soft tissue part was what is going to be the big difference, is all that digging, because that's a lot. And you notice we didn't even adjust you, and your range of motion's like doubled both ways just from stripping all these muscles out, which is good.